If you're new to my channel, please hit the subscribe button and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified about latest videos on my channel. Please give this video a big thumbs up if you found it useful and don't forget to comment below with your queries.
Hello everybody. Today I'll be showing you how to germinate ranunculus or Persian buttercup bulbs. So this is a flowering bulb and I have bought it from an online gardening store. And to germinate these bulbs, you need to soak these bulbs in lukewarm water for overnight, and you need to constantly change the water after every half an hour so that no fungal growth develops in the bulbs. So I'll come back to you after soaking these bulbs overnight. So these bulbs have been soaking overnight, and as you can visibly see how swollen the bulbs have become. Usually ranunculus bulbs are stored like this in a semi-dried form, and once they need to be revived, they are soaked in water before planting. So you can see how big they have become in their size. So now I will show you what I'll use for planting. So I'm using coco peat and normal garden soil over here. You can add a bit of compost as well. So you have to mix both thoroughly. Coco peat helps in softening the soil, and it also retains the required amount of moisture without making the soil too soggy. So once I have mixed this soil for planting the bulbs, I'll mix it thoroughly well. And as a matter of fact, you can use this soil for planting all the kinds of bulbs that you have. So I've taken a clay pot over here and I've covered the drainage hole with a piece of stone, and I'll fill the clay pot almost halfway through the top with this potting media. And once I have finished filling up the pots, I will take my bulbs like this. I'll make a small dent on the surface of the soil and I'll place the bulbs like this. I'll space them out about an inch away from each other. It's actually quite difficult to germinate ranunculus bulbs, but if you follow the techniques that I'm showing, you will definitely be successful in germinating the bulbs. So I'll cover the top with a light thin layer of soil, fine soil like this, and after that I will water this particular pot. I have mixed fungicide with this water. You can also mix the fungicide in the soil as well. And this is the result after 7 days. The first ranunculus bulb has sprouted. There are 4 more that are left to be sprouted. So it has almost been more than 3 weeks that I had planted the ranunculus bulbs, and now they have grown quite well. So now I can apply fertilizers in a small dose to induce proper growth of this particular plant. So the fertilizer that I will be using is DAP. DAP stands for diammonium phosphate. It is a slow release fertilizer, very easily available at gardening stores and nurseries. And I will use this. DAP helps in developments of the root of the plant, while NPK helps in the growth of the branches and shoots and new stems. So since this is a bulb, the more healthy the bulb will be, the better the yield of the flowers will be. So I will be using DAP. I'll just add the granules around the corners away from the bulbs, so that with every watering a little amount of fertilizer will be absorbed into the soil like this. So, and always do this when the soil is wet. I have watered it about half an hour back, and now I have added the DAP granules. They will dissolve slowly, and you can give these DAP granules after every 15 to 20 days and see your plant thrive and flourish. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and happy gardening.